ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सवीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I'll directly get into the Sandhi book, Sanskrit Bharati. Yesterday we saw this Krishnardihi. Alaha Jaro Jari Savarne. Right? We saw this Krishnardihi. Remember?
Yes.
Yeah. Vyanjanat Parasya Nyamangana na Nyamangana nan. Fifth letter of the class, accepting that. Vargiya Vyanjanasya, all the class consonants except the fifth letter of all the classes, then the Shashasa means jar letter. Jar letter which preceded by a consonant followed by a jar letter. We have seen this in the sutra. Jar letter become lopaha, vikalpena. Therefore, Krishna plus Riddhihi. By Gunasandhi, Krishna Riddhihi. Here repaha, repat, uttarasya, jarvarnaha, jarvarnasya, uttare, pare, savarna jarvarnaha asti. अतः जरः जरी अलः जरो जरी सवर्णे जरः लोपः भवति विकल्पेन. Therefore we have two forms, Krishnardi or Krishnardi. We saw this. This example I added in our document also. Okay, now next one, Dvitvam. What is Dvitvam? Doubling. You tell me the sutra by reading the Sanskrit. Idea. Swarat parasya hakaram varjigitva व्यंजनस्य द्वित्वं विकल्पेन भवति. स्वरे परे तु द्वित्वं न. स्वरात् परस्य हकारं वर्जयित्वा व्यंजनस्य द्वित्वं भवति. हकारं वर्जयित्वा. So I think this sutra we are not 30, we are not seen. Footnote 30, I think. Yeah, Anachicha. Okay. We'll see that later. Anachicha 8450 47. Anachicha Sutra. Anachicha Sutra is Anachicha. But the meaning is Swarat Parasya. Swarat Parasya Following the swara, hakaram varajayitva, if any other Vyanjanam is there, Dvitvam will come optional. The sutra is anachicha. So, hakaram varajayitva, Vyanjanam means the pratyahara, it has to be starting from ya, haya, ya, up to repa, yar. So, vowel followed by yar. Then yar letter will get duplicated. Will get Dvitvam. That's a sutra. That is the meaning of the sutra, anachicha. That much you know. Okay, we'll see the sutra later. So, that for example, you see, Swarat parasya yar varnasya yaraha dvitvam bhavati. If you see the sutra pata, I'll show you sutra pata. There is a dvitvam. Achorahabhyam dve. From that, dve coming as anuvritti. This dve. 8447. Achaha, achaha, and yaraha coming as anuvritti from 8445. So ach letter followed by yar, the yar will become dve. Dve means dvitvam bhavati. It gets duplicated. So 47th sutra. Anachicha. Okay.
Okay.
Anachi means what? Should be followed by not a vowel. And here
Not a
coming
vowel.
as anuvritti. It means it should be followed by a here letter. Okay, that much you understand. Detail which why Anachi will see, not now. Because the Anachi is it's got some reason, but some negation is so. So Achivarna followed by Yar Varna, that Yar will get with them. So that is what the Sutram says. Okay.
But is possible to show example again?
Yeah, example we'll see. Sudhi plus Upasya. Sudhi plus Upasya. What Sandhi?
Yan Sandhi.
Yanachi.
So E will be replaced by
Yakara.
Yakara. E will be replaced by Yakara, right?
Yes.
So Suddhi Pasya. Sandhi Krutva Suddhi Pasya. Now, this Dakara, which is a yar letter, following the vowel U. So Dakara can become duplicated, can become Sud, Sud, and the Dakara. So Dakara is a diphthong, right? Understand? So after that, what will happen? This is a Jal letter, and this is a Jash letter. So Jalam Jashi, if you apply, then finally you get Suddhipasya.
Oh.
Simple Yansandhi is this, and this is Vikalpena Bhavati. Therefore, Dakara gets duplicated following a vowel, the R letter. And after that, Jalam Jashi, 8453 will apply. By that, Dakara, the Dakara will become Dakara. So, Suddhipasya. Okay. Only that much he has also given the example. That's okay. This I understand this example. Anachicha is done. Sutra is Anachicha. The meaning is vowel followed by a letter. Here will get duplicated. Yaraha, Jittam Bhavati. Which here following the vowel. That's very important. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, Achvarne pare yaraha Jittam Bhavati. Okay. Right. Then. But this Anachicha, okay, he has given simply. That's okay. He has given in a very simple way. Achaha is Panchami, and Anachi is there. Anachi means not a vowel. So it is something like this. Equation will be like this. See, Ach letter plus. Plus means followed by your letter, and that is your letter, and the year should not be followed by vowel. Okay, that is one achievement. Like Sharpare, Kari, Karipare, Shari, and all we saw. That is anachieved, not a vowel. So ach followed by year should not be followed by a vowel. Then what it will happen? So in this example, it has happened. Simple, you see. In this example, that is why you have to watch the vowel following letter. This example, see so only one example is given. It's okay. Here, this is a year letter following us to the vowel, but this year letter is followed by not a vowel.
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes.
duplication can happen. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose you take any other example. Like one stock example is
The word Bodhi
Deva.
comes from this.
We take the word Deva.
Okay.
Here also, A is followed by what letter? Vakara. Vakara is your letter. But
Yes.
here followed by Deva follows. Therefore, Vakara will not get duplicated. All right.
Correct.
So Deva. This is one duplication section. So we have duplication in the Ashtadhyayi, two places. One is in 6th chapter. That you will see in Litlakara, duplication happens. Litlakara, Sananta, Inventanda. This is another Vitram section. Dve goes as Anurti up to 42. Sorry, 52. This is another Vitram. Duplication. Okay,
Nice.
anyway.
There is one word is, for example, artavam.
Huh?
Artavam. One word. Example, one word is artava.
Artha.
One is artava. Artava.
Artava. Atharva.
No. Artava. Artava.
Okay.
The menstrual bleeding of the woman.
Okay.
Artava.
Mm-hmm.
And in some places, this artava is with duplicated takara. Artava. Like that. Sometimes only one ta. Artava.
That is Achorakhabhyam Dve. That is the previous sutra. We are not seeing the sutra, okay. Achaha Rakhabhyam Dve. Vowel followed by Repa Hakara. That also will become Dvitva. Okay. Achorakhabhyam Dve. Vowel followed by Repa Rakara. Okay. And that is followed by your letter. Then you get this Dvitva. Like in Brahma Andar it happened. So similarly in the Artha also. You take in the Brahma the word. How do you write the word Brahma? I will write here itself. See, the Achorakhabhyam for that example. Vowel, that is Bra, followed by Hakara. Hakara is followed by the year letter Makara, right?
Yes.
Brahma or Brahma, whatever it is. So Hakara followed by, a vowel followed by Ach followed by Hakara. Hakara followed by this Akara, right? Achoraha Byam. Yaraha Kimbhavati. Yaraha Tvitvam Bhavati. Therefore, what will happen? You will have two Makara. Brahma. Your letter will get Vitvam. So one more Makara. Okay. Possible. That is by the
Option.
Sutra Achoraha Byam.
All this is option.
Option, yes.
Nice.
Anyway, this will come under some, when we study some Subhantabad. All not included basic Sandhi. That's why not included. That's what he says. Anachicha. Okay, that just know it. That will be included in the, because we cannot do all the Sandhi. Our Sandhi Sutra, if you see, there's a sequence, connection. Okay. This is all something which comes, the context we will see. Next one, Justum. Justum we know. What is Justum? Nyamang non vargitva vargya vyanjananam ata shasha all the sibilants and the class consonant except the fifth letter of the class consonant the ete chancha tatat vargi tritiya chaturtha vyanjane pare tatat vargi tritiya vyanjanam adeshah bhavati. What is the sutra?
Jalan Jashi.
Exactly. Jalam jashi. Very good. Jalam the same example he has given. Example here, the last line. Jalam jashi. Right? Okay.
The
So,
word buddhi comes from this combination of rules.
which one?
Buddhi.
Buddhi. Okay.
Yes.
Buddhi. Buddha dhatu. Buddha dhatu plus, I think, it must be stealing the pratyaya, thin pratyaya. So this is different. The dakara followed by takara. This takara will be replaced by dhakara. Then jalam jashi will apply.
Okay.
There also you can say vowel followed by a yer, anachicha, and yer followed by this one dakara. You can do like that. Yes, this is optional. Therefore, buddhi is possible. Dakara duplication, right? Okay. That is also possible. Buddhi, kara getting duplication. And okay, this is a chart. Okay, this already we know. We not to otherwise we have to make this like this. Yanjana Sandhi Sangraha. It's a good one. You can always see. Purva parasya vastane nimitta purvasya parasya vastane nimitta anusarana adeshaha. This is yoga is purva varnaha stuhu ashtuhu stuhu ashtuhu paravarnaha ashtuhu ashtuhu. Do you know what will happen? Shatum shtutum, right? The number two, purvasya stane adeshaha. Okay, all these things you can just go through, you can understand. Anyway, we have that, we have summary and we have done, so you can skip this. It's done. The summary is Visarga Sandhi. Okay. We have to complete, we'll complete this today. But Visarga Sandha Paniya Sutrana Anusaranena Asti Kashchana Kleshaha. But anyway, he says Klesha has some difficulties, but we don't have difficulty. We know the Visarga Sandhi very clear, plain Visarga Sandhi. From Duttama onwards, we know. Right? Kavarge, pavarge cha, pare, jikva mauliya, then upadmaniya. Jikva mauliya, then mauliya, upadmaniya. There's a mistake. Jikva upadmaniya. Jigvaliyopamadmaniya. The po will not come. Jigvamuliya upadmaniyo. Jigvamuliyopamadniyo. Jigvamuliyopadmaniyo. Not Jigvamuliya. Po will not be there. Jigvamuliya plus upadmaniya. Anyway, the typo. Kavarge cha parataha. Visargaha va iti kupoko kafo cha vino. Iti sutrena. यथा बालः करोति what will happen बालक करोति और बालः करोति वृक्षः फलानि और वृक्षः फलानि किन्तु बालः गच्छति here what happens प्रथम भाग इत्यादौ दकारे बकारे च पर कुप्पो कफो इति सूत्रस्य कुतः न प्रवृत्तिः why we don't apply कुप्पो कफो च बालः गच्छति the following letter kakara is kavarga letter why don't we apply कुतः न प्रवृत्तिः because इति एतादृशाः संशयाः विसर्गसन्धबहुषस्थलेषु समुद्भवन्ति. We know why it is not. Why it is not? Because we know the sandhi, we know the sutras, how it is arranged. We have seen all those things, right? Kavarga letter. Why should we take only the first two letters? Only Pavarga letter, Papa. Why two letters? Why not all the letters? Because when other letter follows, what will happen? They are soft consonants. When they follow, Ru will be replaced by Ekara, by Bobagogo Purvasi Yoshi. That is why even though Ku is there, we don't take the third letter, fourth letter, and fifth letter of the class consonants. Understand? We take only the first and two. And also Kari coming as Anuvriti. Among the Kar letter, among the Pavarga, we have to take the Kar letter. Kar letter means first letter and second letter. So this book is not for the students who don't, I mean, for the who knows Sutram. We know Sutram, therefore it is not for us. We know more than what the book says. Therefore, it has no kleshaha for us. For us, it must be clear, right? You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Because Kari coming as another thing, Kar letter of Kavarga. Kar letter of Kavarga, Kar letter of Kavarga, it means Kakha Papa. What about the other three? That is covered by Bobagogo Purvasya. By that, Bru will be replaced by Yakara, Yakara Silopa Havavati. When a consonant follows, mandatorily, right? Lopa Shakal is sorry, Savesha, not Lopa Shakal is. Vowel follows Lopa Shakal is. If consonant follows, must Lopaha. Okay. So he says, Etadrishaha Samshayaha doubts. Visarga Santa Bagusha Stalesha Samudbhavanti. Anyway, we don't have doubts. We are clear about it. Etadrishan Samshayan Apakartum Asiddhatum Parishiraniyam. Bhagunam Sutranam Arthanam Tatparyam Sratgatam Chakartavyam Asti. अतः अत्र भगुनां सूत्राणां अर्थः संगृह्य लिखिताः अतः विसर्ग संधि संबंधी सूत्राणि टिप्पण्यां न उद्धतानि. Okay, we know is पूर्वत्र asiddham asiddhatvam, so we don't have any problem in understanding, so we can understand. Kakha paphan vadhigitva, right? Karkasha व्यंजने परे करि परे विसर्गस्य सकारादेशो भवति. शाश्वत इत्येतेषु परेषु तु विकल्पेन सकारः भवति. What sutra you tell me? You know it.
Karavasanyo Visarjaniyaha.
Visargasya, no. Visargasya sakaradesha, sir.
Oh, so Vashari.
Vashari for the second line. First line. Visarjaniyasya saha.
Saha.
Kari pare. 8434. The second line is vikalpena. Sakaraha. Shashasa ityeteshu pareshu. Sakaraha vikalpena bhavati. Right? Vashari. First one is Visarjaniyasya saha. Second one Vashari. Example you see. Balaha plus tatra. What happens to Visarga?
Visarjaniyasaha.
Visarjaniyasya. First Visarga will it be there? Yes. Why? Because the following one is a Kar letter. Otherwise, Visarga will not itself will not be there, right?
Mm.
The following must be a Kar letter. Therefore, Karavasani Visarjaniyasya, then Visarjaniyasya saha. What about Ramaha Vascha? They are also same Ramascha.
Okay.
Krishnaha plus Chatraha. Of course, Ramascha, yes, Chuttam also happens. Okay, Visarjaniyasya saha, we know. After that, we should not stop. We have to complete. Up 8445 also, we have to, sorry, 8440. Stovastunashu, we have to apply. The Ramascha. Similarly, Krishnaha plus Chatraha. Krishna Chatraha. Dayamanaha plus Chittibihi. Dayamanad. Takara will be replaced by Takara. Dayamanad. That's Shakara. Takara will be replaced by Mudane Shakara. Tutasandhi. Dayamanash Titti Raha. Okay. Fine. So Visarga followed by Shasha Sad. That will be replaced by Sakara optionally. Therefore, Visarga Sakara. But in generally, you will see in all the books, Visarga will be there. In the text and all, you will see Visarga will be there when followed by Shar letter. Okay. Like Payaha plus Shitalam. Payaha Shitalam. But when we chant or when we read, we say Payas Shitalam. Okay. Next sutra. Next, you tell me the sutra. Kaka iti eteyoho parayoho. Jitvamuliha hapa iti eteyoho parayoho. Padmani yascha. Visargasya sthana vikalpena bhavati. Sutra is Kupvo Kafvo. 8337. Balat karoti. Taruna khanati. Krishna pivati. Vriksha palati. Right? Okay. Then Drepaha. A iti eto varjigitva. Right? Swarat. Ichaha parasya visargasya sware. Mridivendine cha ashipare. रेपादेशः भवति अव्यय संबंधिनः ऋकारान्त शब्दस्य संबोधन संबंधिनश्च विसर्गस्य अकारात् आकारात् परस्य रेपादेशः भवति. Tell me what sutram is this?
So repadesha sasayushuruhu.
आ इति एतो पदयित्वा स्वरात् परस्य विसर्गस्य स्वरे मृदुव्यञ्जने परे दशि परे रेफादेशः भवति. What is that? Arihi plus gachati. What's sandhi? What's that? Arihi plus gachati. What's sandhi?
This is so. This is not a sandhi actually, meaning only the previous step.
Inferred. Arihi, that repa visaga, sorry, visaga itself will not come. It is ru only. Ru followed by kar letter only. Visaga will come. Therefore, it is one step back. Remember, it's arid only. Therefore, but we need to understand. We know Sutra, therefore we can understand, completely. But this is for not for the students who know Sutra. Okay. So therefore it is presented as though a rule. Now you see, itieto vina means except akara or akara, visarga preceded by a vowel other than akara, not by kar letter, not by kar, followed by vowel. What vowel? Followed by vowel or mriduvyanjana. Then what will happen? Visarga will be replaced by repa. Is there any rule? No. Visarga itself will not become repa first of all. Therefore, this is a lie. This is not true. But this for sake of students to understand is given like that. So therefore nothing wrong. Okay. But we know this is not true, sir, according to Sutra Bhata, because there is no such rule. But anyway. Munihi plus iti. What sandhi? Is it a sandhi? Not sandhi. Right? Munihi plus iti, muniriti. Banuhu plus banuraso. What klishtam is there? What difficulty is there in understanding? We know it very clearly, so not problem. Now, he says, avyaya sambandhi visargaha. You remember what visarga is that? Visarga is a part of the avyaya. Swabhavika repa. Swabhavika repa, what will happen? Punaha plus atra. What will happen? This punar plus atra. Can you apply atoro apadada plate adi? Yes or no? Atoro apadada plate adi, can you apply? If you apply, you get puno atra. Then after that, puru rupasandhi, punotra. Can we do it?
No.
Why? Because atoro apadada plate only for ru repa. Only for ru. Whereas here, swabhavika repa. Punar avyaya repa, right?
Yes.
So therefore, you cannot apply that sutra and you cannot make it, you cannot have Uttva Desha here. Then what will happen to the Repa? What will happen to the Visarga? He says Visarga as though will become Repa. Then Visarga only, sir. Sorry, I mean Repa only, not Visarga. And nothing follows. I mean, when kar letter follows, it will, the Repa will become Visarga. Otherwise, it is Repa only. Punar only. Punar, Antar, Pratar. So it is, again, it is not a Sandhi. Punar plus Atra, Punar Atra. Punaha, when it will come. And Avasana are followed by a kar letter. Right? Understand? So Prataha, Pratar. Here he says that Visarga of the Abhiya will become Repa. It is not true, right? There is no sutra for it, we know. And also we know we will not get Uttva Desha. We cannot apply Atoro Aputada Plute or Ashicha. because that is only for Ru Repa. Understand? All these things we have discussed. So you know. Now Rikarantasya Shabdasya Sambodha Sambandhi Visargaha. Sambodhana is saying, okay, E Pitaha, E Pitar. Sambodhana we have E Pitaha, E Mataha, Rikaranta Shabda. Sambodhana Pratama is what? E Pitaha, E Mataha, right? E Pitar.
Yes.
And Pitar will become Repa, E Pitaha, right?
Yes.
So what is that Repa?
This is Swabhavik also.
That is because of Guna, not because of Ru. Please note. E Pitaha, E Pitaro, E Pitaraha in Sambodhana, E Pitaha, E Pitar. Shabda is Pitra Shabda, right? Pitra Matra.
Yes.
What will happen to Ru? That is a rule. Don't worry about the rule. Sambodhana, the Rikaranta will take Guna. So Ru will become
Peter.
Ar. So Pitar, Matar. What Repa is that? Swabhavika or Sakarasthanika Repa? Ru Repa. Not Ru Repa. Only if it is a Ru Repa, then only you can apply Atora Pradada Pradya Rashicha. Otherwise, what will happen? Repa will remain as it is. Therefore, Pitaha, E Pitaha, one day, oh father, I salute. What will happen to here? E Pitaha, what will happen to Visarga? Will you replace it by Ukara? No. One step back. In the place of Visarga, what was that? Repa. Therefore, Pitar one day, simple. Understand?
Nice. Yes.
This is some Vikaranta Shabda, we have Repa, that's why he says here. So all the 3 points are said here. Okay, here. The examples here said. Okay. Let us move on. Then you have to tell me the rule. Akarat parasya visargasya sware briduvandjane pare ashi lopaha bhavati. Tell me what sutra. You have to understand what it means. It's not telling exact translation of the sutra. Okay. It's not giving the exact.
Yoshi.
Yes, akarat parasya. Akarat.
Lopasakalyasya.
Akarat visargasya sware briduvandjane pare. Yes, it's a part of Bo Bhago Go Apurvasya. 4.1 and 4.2 also. Akarat visargasya akaram vajayitva sware pare also. Bo Bhago Go. Same thing. And here also, here okay, 4.3 is different. 4.1 and 4.2 is all these things also we have discussed. Go Bhago Apurvasya Yoshi. Now you take the example. Balaha plus Atra. What's Sandhi? Visarga preceded by Akara, not Akara. If Visarga preceded by Akara, then Atora Pradapulite. Here Akara. Followed by a vowel. Therefore, what will happen to room? In fact, it is room only, not Visarga, right? Room will become Yakara. Yakarasya, Lopaha Vikalpena Vavati, Lopaha Shakalyasya. So, Avarnath, Bo Bhago Apurvasya. Apurvasya means Avarna Purvasya. Preceded by A or A. Now, Akara example he has given. Now, Akara example is given. Akarat. Akara precedes. Then what will happen to Ru? Ru Repa. Followed by what? Followed by, not by Akara. If followed by Akara, then Atora Pada Kapulze. Followed by vowel other than Rasvakara. Ashi. Soft consonants also can follow. Then what will happen? Go Purvasi Yoshi by that. Rogostana Ekara Desha Ekarasi Lopaha Vikalpena Bhavati. After Ekara Lopa, Sandhi should not be done. We know, right? Understand? Example, you see, Ramaha plus Gachati. Repa is preceded by, Ru is preceded by Akara, followed by A. So what will happen to Ru? Will be replaced by Go Apurvasi Yoshi 8.3.17. By that Ekara Desha, Ekarasya, Lopaha Bhavati Vikalpena, Lopaha Shakalyasya. After that, Savanadika Sandhi cannot happen because Savanadika Sandhi 61101, which is in Sapada Saptadhyayi. Lopaha Shakalyasya by 8.3.19. How can Sutra in the Sapada Saptadhyayi can have access to Sutra? The result of this Tripadi Sutra are not possible. Therefore, no Sandhi. When you try to do Sandhi, Ekara will say, I am there, you cannot do it. Okay. The next one. एषः सः इति एतयोः अनयोः पदयोः विसर्गस्य अकारं विना यत्किञ्चित् वर्णे परे लोपः भवति. What is the सूत्रम्?
This is
What is this? एतत् तदोः
Sulopas.
सुलोपः अकोहरन् समासे हलि, right?
Yes, Sulopasan.
You see, but that sutra, but here what sutra tell me? Seeing the example. Yeshaha plus Ichati. Here Ru Repa. Ru is there. What will happen to Ru? Tell me. Ru preceded by Ha followed by Ash letter E. Therefore, what will happen to Ru Repa or Ru? Not Repa. Ru, you can just say Ru. Ru will be replaced by Goba Purvasa Yoshi Yakara. Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati, right?
Yes.
And Yeshaha, the Visarga, this will drop. Not, in fact, not even Visarga, the Su, the Pratyaya itself will drop. When by followed by a consonant. That is what Etatadoho Sulopaha. Akoho Anansamase Hali. When a consonant follows, the Pratyaya Su, which is there, Etat Shabda. I explained, right? Etad, remember? Etad and all I explained. Su Lopaha Bhavati. Su itself, the Pratyaya itself will drop. This is the context. Therefore, Yeshaha plus Gachati, what sutra? Etatadoho Sulopaha, Akoho Anansamase Ali. The second example by that sutra. First example by Bhoga Purvasa Yoshi. He is teaching this to not to the Panini students. Therefore, he is combining both Bhoga Purvasa Yoshi and this sutra, and he says, with reference to Yesha and Saha, the following letter are verbal other than Akara, right? Other than Akara, following letters are verbals, any letter other than Akara, then Visarga will drop, he says. Actually, it is not true. Visarga doesn't drop, right? In the case of the verbals following other than Nakara, that Ru will become Yakara and will drop, number one. Either that will happen, or when followed by a consonant, Su will become Lopa. Su the Pratyaya of Yeshaha and Saha. We have seen this. In fact, I explain also in this way, and then the sutra is solved. What will happen? Suppose Saha plus Aham. This is for Yeshaha and Saha. Saha plus Aham. Because the following one is a vowel, and the vowel beginning with Akara. Here Akaram Vina only Lopaha Bhavati. Where Akara follows. Therefore, go Purvasa Yoshi. Sorry, Atoro Prata Prate. Okay. Atoro Prata Prate. Saha plus Aham. Ru will be replaced by U. Therefore, Sa plus U. So, then Puru Pasanti. So, understand?
Yes.
I'm not typing because all these things we know. We have done already one time revision also. First time we saw, second time revision, third time lot of examples. Now we are doing fourth or fifth time. By seeing this, you should be able to understand. Okay, that's why I'm giving a lecture. I'm not typing, okay. Here, Saha plus Tatra, Sarga is, Su is drop. Saha plus Khadati, what will happen? Saha plus Pivati. Kupocha will you apply? No. Su will drop. Sa Pivati, Sa Khadati. Don't say Sakhadati. Then problem, huh? Next one. 4.4. Tell me the sutra. Akaram varjigitva swarat parasya visargasya repe pare lopaha bhavati. Lope krite purvaswara dirghacha bhavati. You know it very well. Abhya sambandhinaha visargasya akarat parasya lopaha bhavati. What sutra is this? Accepting akara, swarat parasya visargasya, visarga following the swara, a vowel, right? Except akara. He says except akara. And that is Visarga is followed by Repa. Then what will happen? Repe pare Visargasya Lopaha Bhavati. Visarga becomes Lopaha, he says. Wonder.
No, this is Rory.
Yeah. Dralope, Rory, and then Dralope Purvasi Dirganaha. लोपे कृते पूर्वस्य स्वरः दीर्घः भवति. Okay, but sutra is not, this is not literal translation of the sutra. This is understanding based on the sutra. Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Don't take this as a literal translation of sutra. If you take, you have problem. That sutra and all the stuff we have seen. Here, he teaches, as I told, the non-Paninian student, for the beginners. Okay. Now let's see the example here. Kavigi plus Rachayati. What he says, Akaram Varjagitva, excepting the short bubble Visarga, which is preceded by a vowel. Here Visarga is a Kavigi, preceded by a vowel, followed by a repa. Then what will happen to Visarga? Tell me. Visarga will become Lopaha. And Purvan will become Dirgha. Is that Sutram says? No. In fact, here Visarga will itself will not be there, we say. Visarga will be born only when at the Avasana are followed by Kar. Is it a Kar letter? No.
No.
So therefore, here what is that? Ru only. Ru means what? Repa. So repa followed by repa. Repa, this repa is dropped and purva and become dirgaha. That is what the sutra. Tralope purvasya dirganaha. Rori followed by tralope purvasya dirganaha. Understand?
Yes.
Suppose if this repa, okay, if this repa, it says, abhya sambandhina visargasya akarat tasyapi lopah bhavati. Suppose repa of the abhyaya. Now let us take punar plus rachayati. Tell me, what will the sandhi? Punar plus rachayati. What will happen?
Punar plus
Rachayati. The repa of punar is swabhavika repa.
so only join.
Sir, punar plus rachayati. Repa followed by repa, right? How can you join?
Okay, I understood. Rachayati.
Also, Rory.
Yeah, Rory. Then after that?
Tralope dirgo.
Yes, punar rachayati. Because see example.
Same.
Punaha plus ramate. Punar ramate. So Rory says any repa, right? Repa
Yes.
followed by repa, repasya lopaha purvan dirgaha punar ramate. Understand?
Yes.
Idam avadeyam visarga lope krite nimittasya sadbhave swarasandhihi न कर्तव्यः. विसर्ग लोपे कृते निमित्तस्य सद्भावे स्वरसन्धिः न कर्तव्यः. Okay, that is then what about this sutra? Ukaraha means what is it? Akarat parasya visargasya akare mriduvanjane pare ukaraha bhavati. Ukare krite gurasandhiः अवश्यं करणीयः. Akare pare gunantaram purvarupasandhiः अपि कर्तव्यः. You know it very well. So many times in the sandhi examples, Gita that we have done. What is that? Exactly. Ashicha also. Both is come in one line. Akara visargasya. Is it visarga? We know it is not visarga, it is room. Right? Rogo, akare pare, ati pare, or mriduvanjane pare, ashi pare. Right? Preceded by akara, followed by either akara or mriduvanjana. The room will become, we will get ukara desha. Right? After that, what will happen? Gunasanti. After that, what will happen? If the preceding letter is akara, purvarupasandhi. Right?
Yes.
Ramaha plus api, all those things we know, Ramo api. Balaha plus asati, balo asati. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
What will happen to Abhiya Repa? Will it happen here? No. This is only for Ru Repa. Abhiya Repa, this will not happen, just a join. Punar plus Atra, Punar Atra. Already we have seen. Okay. Please, gap time, please go through these examples. Make you understand very clear about it. These are all the basic sutras. Okay. Which finds applications are. Other thing you leave it. Oh. Okay. Up to this book is over almost. Okay. So after this, it's just summarizing. bodhana kramaha yuttam. Very good. Well, I don't think it's required. Yeah, we don't know. We know all this very well. Can read all these, no problem. You know, all this balaha, plascha, balascha, examples. Okay, all the sutras. You tell me, see, which sutra you don't know here. Gopurvasi Yoshi, you know. Lopaka Shakalya, you know. Yellow ho lagut, lagut Praetrataraha, E318. Okay, E318, E318, we are not seeing Shakal. No, that is not required. Lopaha E318 is just before Lopaha Shakalyasya. Lopaha Shakalyasya E319, right? So this is E318. It's okay. But from this sutra only, Vyoho coming as Anuvritti. Ekara, Vakara at the end of the Padam, considered by a Avarna, followed by a vowel, Lopaha Shakalyasya by the sutra, Lopaha happens. Anyway, that is enough. Okay. The sutra Shakata Rasya, it's not required. We are not seeing that. It's okay. Context will come that time you can see. Ali Sarvesha, we know. And followed by vowel, Yakara Lopa must happen. Atoro Protata Protya, Shicha, Sasajishorugo, Rodi, Visaginias Sahas, was not to go. Can see. So all these sutras we know. Okay. That's it. Just the book is done, sir. Right? You have completed this book.
Nice.
Okay. One this book, this also I have sent you. You can try the exercise of this. Now, Gita, just under 10 minutes, can do some Sandhi. Second chapter we are doing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Which is chapter, I remember?
I think we passed through 1 to 16, I think.
16, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, Nasato Vijayadeva, yeah, that's what we did. Now, Rama, we can do Sandhi. 17th shloka. What are the Sandhis?
Avinashi, Tadvidhi, Jalan Jashonte. Yena Sarvamidam Tatam. No Sandhi.
Monuswara.
Monuswara, yes, sorry.
Because
Monuswara.
Sarvam is Makara. After that, Idam. Your Makara remains as it is. Idam, Makara becomes Anuswara. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Then Vyayasya Asya. This is
Not Abhyayasya, Yasya. Abhyayasya, Asya. Yeah.
Savarnadirga Sandhi.
Yes. And here,
Kaschit Kartumarhati. This is Kaha. Kaha,
Kaschit is one word actually. Chit Pratyaya, by which you get an Abhiya. Kaha plus Chit. Vichara will be replaced by Vicharjaniyasya Saha, followed by Shuttam Kaschit.
Yes.
Kaschit. But Kaschit and Kartum?
Kaschit and Kartum.
Kaschit can go on Jalan Jashanti Kaschit.
Yes.
Then Karicha Kaschit.
Karicha, yes.
Okay. Then,
So it goes from Takara to Dakara, then come back to Takara.
yes. Yeah. Because the Pratyaya is Chit Pratyaya, not Chid. Chit is the Pratyaya. So Kaschit. So by Jalan Jashanti it becomes Kaschit. By Karicha it becomes Kaschit. Back to that. Okay. Next one, you can do Vachaspati.
Vanta me deha nityasya. There in deha nityasya.
Oh, before that, Sandhi. Before that, here what Sandhi is there or not?
Yes.
What's it?
Antavantah.
Antavanta. What's Sandhi?
Bho Bhagwa Pavasyoshi and Halisavation.
Exactly. Not Alisavation. Lopaha Shakalyas.
Lopeha Shakalyasya, yes.
Vikalpena. Yes. Antavantaha. That what becomes Lopaha? Not Visarga. But here,
Yeah.
this, what he says, Visarga become Lopaha, he says, right?
Mhm.
But it is not Visarga. What is it become Lopaha? Room.
Mhm.
Right?
Yes.
A Torah ora plotada pluten, Bo Bhagwa Pavasyoshi. Both are about the room, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are both about the room? Yes. Ime Dega. Okay. Deha Nitya. Deha Anitya. What's
This is
the
also Bo Bhagwa Pavasyoshi
and
and Lopa Shakalyasya.
no Ali Sarvesha
Yes, sir.
follow the
Yes.
consonant. It's a must,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Then
Halisavation. Nityasyo.
hmm,
This is Nityaha.
no. Nityasya.
Nityasya. Nityasya. Okay. Uktaha.
What's the
So, Guna Sandhi.
Ad Gunaha.
Adgunaha. Yes.
So you need to remember the sutram name also number also. Okay.
Mhm.
The homework.
Uktaha. Sharirina.
Hmm.
This is
Hmm.
Vashari.
Exactly. Very good.
Vashari.
Second line. Hmm.
Anashino. This is Bho Bhago Apavasayoshi. No? Anashino. Only, então, so only Pulvarupa Sandhi.
Torah ora plotada.
Atoro up that
Okay.
only you get U, right?
Okay.
Anashina, you're splitting.
Mhm.
First you will split Anashino Aprameyas. After
Mhm.
that you have to split Anashinaha plus Aprameyas.
Mhm. Mhm.
So
Okay.
Anashinaha plus Aprameyasya, Atoro Aprodata by that Anashina Prameyasya. In fact, Guna also happens there. Then
Mhm.
Pururupasandhi. So
Okay.
the reverse order, it is Pururupasandhi, then Gunasandhi, then Atoro Aprodata. Right?
Yes. Okay.
Then next one.
Nasya tasmat.
A simple interrogation case.
Yes.
Tasmat is a padam. Tasmat. Therefore,
Yes.
Yudyasva. Right?
Jalandashanti. Okay.
Bharata. Next one. Rama.
Yaenam Vedi. Okay, so this is Yaha
Hmm.
Enam.
Yaha
Enam.
plus cha plus yanam, sir. Oh, you're
Yaha.
saying here. Okay. First one. You're saying this one?
Yeah.
What
Enam.
Sandhi? Yaha plus yanam. What Sandhi?
Bhava Purvasayoshi.
Yes.
Lopa
Go back. Go.
Shakalis.
Plus. Yes. Yaha yanam. Why not ye?
Not
Yaha ye
yet,
bhagavach.
because the context. Only Kavachanam.
Where is ekavachanam?
After then is Yaha and
Kriya padam is ekavach. Veti knows.
yes.
Yaha veti. Yaha manyate. Ekavachanam. Therefore, yeah. Right?
Yes.
Then here.
Yes. Then Manuswara. Okay. Or Manuswara. Okay. And this is Yaha Visaryan yes Saha
Hmm.
Stuto.
Hmm. Then
Then
cha plus
Cha
enam.
Champasana Vritti
Very good.
Vritti.
Then
Then Manuswara. Nanyate hada.
Yes.
Bhav.
And here what's it?
Then, okay. This is Atoro Raplute. Then Gunasa.
Ashicha. Ashi. Janitaha na,
Ashicha.
right? Ashicha.
Ashicha. Correct.
What's the number?
Ashicha. 6 1
114.
98
No. 114. 114.
114.
Na plus I am. What's Sandhi?
Yes. Guna Sandhi. Na I am.
Guna Sandhi.
Sorry, Savarnadirgha Sandhi.
Okay.
Savarnadirgha Sandhi.
What's number? Sutra Sankhya.
Savarnadirgha Sandhi. 6 1 101.
Yes. 101.
101. Yes.
Okay. Vachaspati. Tell me Sandhi. What are Sandhi?
First line, no Sandhi.
Really? Okay. First line. Okay. What was second line?
Second line, na ayam Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Here also Sandhi is there. Last word.
Kadachit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yaro Anunasikya Naspava.
Yes.
Is it?
Yaraha Anunasike Anunasikova. So Vikalpa option. What is the number? Devi is showing the number above.
Yes.
It's saying like this. Devi reveals all the numbers at the side. It feels like this. Everything has placed just above the computer, I think.
8445. Download is low now.
Okay. I think your room will be full of the Sandhi chart, and later when you Subanta, Tinganta, Tipta, Shisiptasta, Bipasmas, all will be. Okay. Ajo Nityaha.
Aurora Plutada Plute.
Ashicha.
Ashicha, yes.
Not Asho, Atavapata. Followed by Guna.
Followed by Guna.
Okay.
Yes.
Nityaha plus Shashvataha. What's Sandhi?
Vashari.
Very good. And Shashvatoyam. What's Sandhi?
This is Aurora Plutada Plute, Guna Sandhi, then Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Yes. And Purano. Yeah. Okay. Purano plus Na. Splitting the Sandhi. Puranaha. Plus Na. What's Sandhi?
Ashicha.
Very good. Okay. 20. I think we are done. So after the break, when you come, we'll get into Tinganta. So Sandhi is done. Computer Sandhi. This book you can try. It also you have one word answer Sandhi, right? Or maybe when I come back, also you can do. But I think Sandhi is enough. Sandhi we have done enough. I think. Okay. A lot of you practice, abhyasa, everything given. See, first time we did under revision, and after that, so again we went back and did. So what 20 classes we have been doing all the practices. I think Sandhi is enough, right? Right? We can do practice now. You need to remember the sutram along with the numbers. It will be useful. Easy also. Remembering is not difficult. Numbers also. But practice it comes. Abhyasa. Abhyasa is the count. So practice. So when you come back, we will do. Take up Tinganta. Right? Just introduction to different akaras. First you will see. It will be little dull, boring. But you need to know. Lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara. All the descriptions, what did they mean. Then we will see slowly first Gana. After that, we can see some Subanta. Then we can come to the fourth Gana like that we will do. Okay. Except
146 like that. 146 and 10.
Yeah, 146
First
we
we
will do. First. Yeah, first we will do one first Gana. After that, we will see some Subanta. Then after some time, we'll come to fourth Gana. Then we will see some Subanta. So like that.
Same.
Yeah. Then Tadita also in between, Samasa also. We will do. All topics. Karaka also. Right?
Right. Nice.
Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Okay, so we have completed Sandhi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See.